Hello, students. Teacher Gorman here once again. I hope you're all doing pretty well. In this lesson on electrotechnics, we'll be talking about the electrical measuring instruments. Our objective is to identify electrical measuring instruments and their functions. As content, we've got ohmmeter, frequency meter, voltmeter, ampere meter, wattmeter. Prior to deep into the lesson per se, let's check our introductory part, which is, did you know that? So, did you know that after Volta's battery was invented in the 1600s, the first utilization of electricity was the telegraphic communication? Atlantic telegraphic communication was successfully completed in 1866, and the Kelvin mirror galvanometer was used as a telegraphic receiving instrument. Ohmmeter. Ohmmeter is a device used to measure the amount of electricity from a switch. Ohm's law saw that the circuit of electric current is directly proportional to the voltage. This device focuses more on resistance only. There are two types. Analog, which measures with a needle, so you have to be more precise in seeing where the number is located, and digital, which provides more accurate and detailed results. The disadvantage of this is that it is difficult to monitor when the voltage fluctuates. Frequency meter. The frequency meter measures the repetition of periodic movements per second. The frequency meter also consists of analog and digital, where the analog meter frequency works by manual needle and the digital frequency meter use more detailed numbers. Voltmeter. The voltmeter measures the amount of voltage of an electric current flowing per second. It can measure the electric voltage within a predetermined maximum limit. If the voltage exceeds the limit, it will cause damage to the device. Also consists of two types, the analog, which works by using a needle, and the digital one, which can show you the number in detail. Ampere meter. This tool serves to measure the electric voltage current in a closed circuit. You only need to attach this ampere meter to the circuit of electric current you want to measure. Wattmeter. The wattmeter serves to measure direct current power. It is a combination of an ampere meter and a voltmeter. Besides being able to measure direct current power, the wattmeter can also measure the power of a single phase alternating current and measure the power of a three-phase alternating current. Kilowatt hour kWh meter. Kilowatt hour meter works by using magnetic field induction that moves the aluminum plate and is used to calculate electrical energy consumption. Meanwhile, the induction of a kilowatt hour meter is one of the type that is useful for calculating household electrical power. Kilowatt hour meter is easy to find in every house because it required to know electricity consumption in households. Tachometer. The tachometer serves to measure the engine rotation of vehicles such as cars and motorbikes. This device has a screen where it displays the speed of the vehicle. It is also used to measure the safe point that shows the vehicle rotation speed. Avometer. The avometer stands for ampere, voltage, and ohm meter, and is a multifunctional electric measuring instrument for measuring electric current, voltage, and resistance of electronic components. The avometer consists of an analog and a digital one. The analog one uses a needle as a pointer to the result, and the digital one displays a more accurate number behind the comma. Oscilloscope. The oscilloscope maps the signal from electricity and consists of a physical frequency component. Oscilloscope has measurement results based on digital as well as graphs that are easy to read. Two benefits of it are differentiating AC and DC voltages in electrical components and knowing noise and checking electronic circuit signals. Measure. Measure stands for mega or meter. It is a measuring device to give you information whether the conductor of the instances has a direct connection. Its general function is to measure the insulation resistance of power tools. The minimum is 1000 times working voltage. Very good, students. Now it is time to measure how much you remember about this lesson. And we'll do it through a little quiz. Good. Here we go. Get set, ready, go. Number one, it says, its general function is to measure the insulation resistance of power tools. Options, meter, avometer, tachometer, and kWh meter, or kilowatt meter. Very good job. The answer is letter A, meter. Its general function is to measure the insulation resistance of power tools. Number two, it has measurement results based on digital as well as graphs that are easy to read. Tachometer, avometer, oscilloscope, and kilowatt meter. Excellent. The answer is letter C. Oscilloscope has measurement results based on digital as well as graphs that are easy to read. Number 3. It serves to measure the engine rotation of vehicles. Options: kilowatt meter, avometer, oscilloscope, or tachometer. That's nice. The answer is letter D. Tachometer serves to measure the engine rotation of vehicles. Number 4. It works by using magnetic field induction that moves the aluminum plate. Tachometer, kilowatt meter, avometer, oscilloscope. Yeah, that's absolutely right. The answer is letter B, the kilowatt meter. The kilowatt meter works by using magnetic field induction that moves the aluminum plate. And finally, number 5, it says it serves to measure the electric voltage current in a closed circuit. The options are tachometer, kilowatt meter, ampere meter, oscilloscope. And the answer is letter C. Ampere meter serves to measure the electric voltage current in a closed circuit. Very good job. And here you are the answers, in any case you may need them. Now, to conclude our lesson, let me tell you the following. Our life is incomplete without electricity. We need electricity for every purpose, be it an entertainment, working on a computer, using washing machines, or escaping the summer heat with the aid of air conditioning. Weather, hormone industry, healthcare centers, and many, many more in a modern society. Since they have a good potential to provide accurate results, we can perform our role with with great reliance. Similarly, when we want to verify the readings, we may require to calibrate electrical measuring instrument to match the readings of a particular standard. On electrotechnics, today we've learned about the electrical lesson and some important things. Please don't forget to revise. Second, consider using all information. And third, solve the test and the exam. That's me now. Thank you very much. See you next time.